Are you looking for this hairstyle? Guys, I want to teach you some scissor technique and hairstyling. First of all, for this hairstyle, don't cut straight. Look at the video, don't cut like this, it's wrong. Because the result will not come similar and your hairstyle will be not good. Take, take your scissor on 45 degrees. If you're not a barber, if you're one of these hairstylists, when you're going to your barber, tell your barber to cut your hair on 45 degrees on texture or whatever you call, like zigzag, whatever your barber will call, and tell him to cut like this. Because wait till the end of the video and see the styling is coming perfect texture hairstyle. Dear barbers, cut the hair on texture, whatever you call, like zigzag, 45 degrees to 65 degrees. Cut it. Guys, look at this. I don't put any product, I don't do anything, just with scissor cut. I don't use any thinning scissor. This is the result. Look at the front, it's come proper texture. Guys, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Let's go for hairstyling. Just I use a basic dryer. Now I want to apply some like sea salt spray or what you call like texture spray. But it's actually very popular on sea salt spray. It's very good for hairstyling. First of all, make a nice texture style and also give volume and like light hold. After that, you can apply another product. Okay, I take my Dyson dryer. I put my diffuser. With diffuser, I'm giving volume and also I make the hair to become dry. And look at this, how I'm styling. You can do at home as well. You can do at the barber shop as well. If you're a barber, look at this, style like this, and also whatever you're comfortable. If your customer want, your client want, you can apply like styling powder, or you want apply some like matte finish, not shiny, not wet look, because the result will not come good. Guys, this is my texture haircut I cut for you. This is the result. Look at the top, on the front, and the back. It's come perfect texture, mid taper skin type. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching my video and support me. Now you guys tell me, how is it? Is it good or not on comment?